Hey loves, guess who's back? Oh my god, I missed you guys so much. So these are the plugs. Go ahead and make sure you follow me on social media so that we can be friends. I also have it linked down below so that you can find me. So I already prepped and primed my face. To prime, I've been loving the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And to moisturize, I use Clinique's Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. For foundation, we're using NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation mixed with Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in Warm Coconut. And if I didn't say it, the NARS one was in Macao. That usually gives me a pretty spot on color. Now I'm going to go ahead and secure the bag using NARS's Radiant Creamy Concealer in Amande. And I like to use two concealers. I use one before contour and one after contour. So this one is just to secure the bags. We're going to highlight the forehead, above and under the lip, the chin, and the bridge of the nose. And then we're going to blend that out using our Beauty Blender. Now, this time I use my Beauty Blender dry because, quite honestly, I was being lazy and I didn't get up to go rinse it. However, when using a Beauty Blender, it is best to use it damp. But as you see, I had no problem blending this out. Now I'm going into contour, my nose, my cheeks, my chin. I'm using the Fenty Matchstick in the color Espresso. And to blend that out, I'm using a Makeup Forever sponge. This Pro Sponge is life. It blends like a dream, like literally, like where'd the contour go? You can't see it. And I love that because I'm going to reinforce it with powder anyway. So here's that second concealer. I believe this one was the ColourPop Deep Golden. And this time I'm using my concealer to brighten. And I also use it on the bridge of my nose. And I'm going to go in with this blending brush to blend out the contour on my nose. And I like to bring that into my eyebrows, not just into my crease. So you blend it up into the eyebrows, not just the crease. Then I'm going to set everything with this powder. It's a new powder by Black Radiance. It's their loose setting powder in the color Banana. And since I purchased it, I have not put it down. Like, it's everything and more. I've used it to bake, which I don't usually do, but it works for that as well. Now I'm going into this Perception palette, the Shayla Times ColourPop collab, and I'm going to first go into the color Culture, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush to put that all over my lid. This is a beautiful color, even on its own with just a liner and a lash. So pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead with this blending brush, and I'm going to use the color Revenge. This is like a burnt sienna color. I didn't know it was going to be that pigmented. Woo! And I'm going to put that on my outer V and into my crease. Well, above my crease. More of like my socket area. I like to believe that that's where my crease is. Then I'm going to go straight in with the color Spill the Tea, which is a beautiful rose gold color. And I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm also going to take this color Unbothered and pop that right in the inner corners. And to line my eyes, I'm using NYX's Epic Ink Liner. It's like a fine point marker. And it's waterproof, which is the bee's knees. So I'm going to use just a thin line. I'm not going to wing it out today. I'm just going to keep going back and forth to make sure that the line is pretty symmetrical on each side. And then I'm going to use this brown eyeliner by Urban Decay, their 24/7 eyeliner. It's a brown color. I'm not sure the name of it. I don't have it right now. I'm going to put that in my waterline. And I'm going to use the color Shade to go ahead and smudge that out on my lower lash line. And then I'm also going to take that on top of the liner that we just did on our lid, because I want this look to be soft. I don't want it to be so harsh with the black liner. If I had a brown liner, that would have been perfect, but because I didn't, we're just going to make it work and take Shade and just smudge it out a little bit. And lashes, these are Ardell Wispy lashes. And I'm putting mascara on my bottom lashes. We're going to go ahead and line our lips using any brown liner of your choice. And now we're going to contour. So this is the Tarteist contour palette. This was the Tarte times Makeup Shayla contour palette. As you can see, it's well loved. I use both the contour shades, mix them together, and then I just contour my cheeks. And now I'm going to use her highlight in Boomin'. I'm going to put that on the highest points of my cheeks. This was very pretty, and I don't do highlight all the time, but I think I might be getting back into it after this. So I put it on the point of the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to take the color Thick, which is a beautiful orange eyeshadow, and I'm going to use it as blush. I also like to take the blush and put it on the very tip of my nose, so we'll talk about that later, gals. And this is her lipstick in Quickie. And then I'm going to go ahead and use her gloss in Neat Freak. Put that over the lipstick. Beautiful. And that's pretty much it. Now here you're going to see me playing with my hair, trying to get information so I can take pictures, brushing it out. Thank you so much for those of you who have stuck with me while I'm on this little hiatus. But now that I'm back, girls, I'm back. So thank you so much, and I love you. Hair flip.